I've got an exciting topic for all you aspiring cybersecurity professionals out there. I'm going to talk about the top 5 countries where you can pursue your studies in cybersecurity. Whether you're interested in hacking, ethical hacking, network security, or anything related to the digital world, these countries offer some of the best programs and opportunities for you to excel. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. The United States. The United States, the USA, is home to some of the world's most prestigious universities and institutions dedicated to cybersecurity. Universities like MIT, Stanford, and Carnegie Mellon offer cutting-edge programs and research opportunities. Plus, the country's booming tech industry provides ample internship and job prospects. The USA's emphasis on cybersecurity makes it a top destination for those looking to make a mark in this field. 2. Israel. Israel, known as the startup nation, Israel has a strong focus on cybersecurity. It's a hub for innovative cybersecurity startups and companies. Studying there will give you access to a vibrant ecosystem and the chance to learn from some of the best minds in the industry. Israel's cybersecurity programs are renowned for their quality, making it an attractive option for international students. 3. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom. The UK boasts world-class universities like Oxford, Cambridge, and Imperial College London. They offer excellent cybersecurity programs with a strong emphasis on research and practical skills. London, in particular, is a global financial hub, creating a high demand for cybersecurity experts. The UK's multicultural environment is also a bonus for international students. 4. Canada. We have Canada. Known for its quality education and welcoming atmosphere, Canada is a great choice for international students. Universities like the University of Toronto and the University of Waterloo offer comprehensive cybersecurity programs. Canada also has a thriving tech industry, especially in cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal, providing various job opportunities after graduation. 5. Australia. Let's talk about Australia. Australia's universities are known for their strong cybersecurity programs. Institutions like the University of Melbourne and the University of New South Wales offer world-class education in this field. The country's skilled migration policies make it relatively easy for international students to stay and work after graduation, making it a practical choice for your future career. So, there you have it, folks. My top 5 countries to study cybersecurity. Whether you're looking for top-notch education, research opportunities, or a thriving job market, these countries have a lot to offer. Remember, choosing the right country also depends on your personal preferences and goals. So do your research and make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.